This is the story of the BMS, and BMS means battery management system. Each wires are connected to the cells. Those are in series. After each battery, one wire is connected and connect it properly. B1, B2, B3, B3, 1, C2, C3 means cell 1, cell 2, cell 3. After first cell C1, after two cell C2, then three cell C3, like this, because it is working principle on ADC. It is measuring the voltage. Even by multimeter you check the battery voltage of the each cell. It will give you different voltage, 4.2 volt, 8.4 volt. But how BMS is working? BMS is working, it is minus the first 4.2 volt. It is working on ADC principle. It knows first wire is connected at 4.2 volt. It will consider that voltage, and when you connect the second wire, it will minus the first voltage, then it will tell you the second wire voltage. Otherwise it will also calculate it 8.4 volt. By multimeter we are checking 8.4 volt, but this BMS is not working on that principle.